to my art channel, Angela Mutavi Art. I am Angela, and in today's video I am bringing you another swiping technique. So I'm gonna be using a swiping technique. I want to create a nice landscape on this canvas. This is a 12 by 16. So basically what I'm thinking of doing is just putting the sky up here, the ground up here. I'm not gonna do a beach, but I want to have a waterfall. So I'm gonna swipe some blues coming down, and then there'll be some red here for like when the water falls on a little bit water here, a pond or some area where there's water. So let's see how this goes. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So for the ground, I'm thinking of mixing this burnt amber with some white just to mute it down. The greens, the turquoise, and the blues. Well, the greens and all these greens will be for the vegetation down here on the sides, and then the blues will be for the water and the sky. So let's go ahead and get started. guys, here is the final dried result. I ended up adding a little bit of glitter. If you look closely, you see that I added very fine glitter that I had, like little crystals, just to mimic the bubbles. You know, that they look like bubbles, like the waterfall has some bubbles when coming down. So I just wanted to change it a little bit, just to show that looks like water bubbles coming down. Anyway, I think it turned out okay, but yeah, that's what I did. And I got these crystals from Amazon, and I thought I would try those. And what I did is just that I put Mod Podge. I applied a coat of Mod Podge, and then I applied the I sprinkled a little bit of the glitter or the crystals, and then I waited for the Mod Podge to dry, and then I put another coat, so about 3 coats. So this is not going anywhere. And then when I burnish it, then it will, those crystals will not be falling out. Anyway, so that's what we have. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, share, comment. Please comment and let me know how you like this video, and I'll see you on the next video. And yeah, thank you so much. God bless. Bye.